My name is Pinky. I'm a single mom of these two amazing kids, Hearty and Holden. Just recently, I was engaged to this incredible man named BG. Currently, I'm living and working as a dental nurse here in Abu Dhabi. I like to share with you guys my daily lives, experiences, and adventures. So, welcome to my world. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna cook for our lunch sauteed clam soup and grilled salmon. I got these clams from my cousin. Thank you, cousin, for giving this to us. And also I have salmon. I already put my seasoning mix. Today I'm using lemon and herbs just to taste different from salt and pepper. And also I want to add sayuti to my sauteed clam soup because sayuti will give us nice taste for our soup to the clams. And of course, when there is grilled salmon, I wanted to have vegetable side dish and prepared chopped carrot and cauliflower. I just want to boil them to have a very healthy side dish. And in sauteing our clam soup, we need chopped tomato, and also we need ginger, and also minced garlic and red onions. So we don't have a grilling pan for our grilled salmon, so as a substitute I'm using an skillet. For sure it will still work out. Of course, you need to make it hot first, skillet, before you will apply, before you will put the salmon. In grilling salmon, you need to make sure that your fire is just set in low fire because we don't want to overcook our salmon. And in another side, I'm also preparing the pan for our clams. I always like to use butter in sauteing anything, even if it's meat or especially in some seafoods. There is a different flavor, different taste if you use butter. And to avoid overcook or burning taste of your butter, I just added a little amount of cooking oil, and you need to stir it to avoid over burning your butter. And it's time to add our minced garlic. Stir it so well. At this period, guys, this is my favorite part in cooking, when I'm sauteing garlic and onion, because the smell of garlic, it's very nice. The aroma is very nice. It's so garlicky, and especially when you add red onions, it's very nice. You can really say that you are in a healthy home. I don't know, I cannot express my feelings. I guess you know what I'm trying to say. Sorry guys, my video one, she's not focused. Now I added the ginger. This is my secret, guys. If you are cooking some seashells or sauteing some seashells, you really need to use ginger, because ginger will add different flavor, and it will also remove the unnecessary taste of seashells. And there you go, I added our tomato. Tomato will add also some sour taste to our clams. And sorry, videographer, my video man or video woman. I don't know. She's also multitasking there. She's taking also in another mobile for her live video. You need to stir it well and leave it for 2 minutes before you add the clams. It's time now to add our clams. Yes, I washed that so well and I soak it in water to remove all those sand inside the clams. Stir it well. Stirring it, it's like I'm stirring some stones. So funny. And then you need to leave it for a while before you will add the remaining ingredients. This moment, guys, the smell in our house is so amazing. If you are hungry, you will feel more hungry. So I added salt and pepper. And I stir it again to mix it well. I think it's time to add our sauteed, and also sauteed will give a very nice sweet taste to our clam soup. And ideally for our sauce or liquid, as of if you notice, I still didn't add any liquid or water on it because I want the clams and all the ingredients will be sauteed so well. Ideally, you need to use wine for the sauce, but I don't have wine. I know I have wine, but I don't like to open it, so I decided to use this ginger ale. This is actually like Sprite also, you can use it. This is first time for me to use that ginger ale. I'm saying hi to our grilled salmon. Oh, the oil is starting to coming out. That's the oil from salmon, and you know it's fish oil and very healthy for your heart. It has omega-3. I think everybody knows about that. So it was a very successful for me to flip that up, and I'm so glad that it was not sticking. You need to use non-sticking skillet actually, guys. guys, it's done. We're ready for our lunch. That was so quick to cook all of this. It didn't take me like a half an hour. So we have grilled salmon with a very nice sauce, sweet and sour sauce, and boiled vegetables, cauliflower and carrots, of course. We have our ginger ale. We like that so much. It's very refreshing. And some side dish, rice, steamed rice. And look at the seashells. Oh my God, I'm so excited to eat this. It's really fresh and tasty. And the ginger ale, it's also the same with Sprite and wine. So let's eat, guys. I hope you will try this also in your home, so you can say that I'm really right with all of this.